Before you pay anyone to fix your credit, or before you even think about filing bankruptcy, you need to watch this, because most people don't actually have a credit problem. They have a strategy problem, and choosing the wrong solution can cost you years of your financial life. What up, family? It's Jermaine. In this video, I'm going to break down one of the most misunderstood topics in personal finance. Do you really need credit repair, credit counseling, or bankruptcy? I see people make the same mistake over and over again. They jump into credit repair when the debt is the real issue. They file for bankruptcy when they still had other options, and nobody ever explains the difference clearly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which option fits your situation and what your next move should be. So let's get right into it. Step 1, assess your situation. Everything starts with honesty. You need to pull your credit reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. List out every account. Credit cards, loans, collections, medical bills, everything. Next, compare your monthly income to your monthly expenses. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a spending problem. Separate your expenses into necessities and luxuries. Necessities are rent, food, utilities, transportation, basic phone services. Luxuries are eating out, subscriptions, entertainment, and non-essential purchases. If you're serious about fixing your credit, luxuries have to be reduced, at least temporarily. Then tighten your necessities where possible. Lower your phone bill, cook at home more, reduce transportation costs. After that, build a small emergency fund. Even $500 to $1,000 can stop one unexpected expense from turning into late payments. Finally, look at your payment history and your credit score range. Payment history makes up to 35% of your score, and patterns matter. Here's the big picture. If your income covers your bills, but your credit is low because of incorrect, outdated information, that's typically credit repair. If your income barely covers your bills and high interest is keeping you stuck, that's credit counseling. And if you cannot pay your bills at all and your creditors are suing or garnishing wages, typically that's bankruptcy. Now, when you need credit repair is for inaccurate, outdated, and unverifiable information on your credit report. That includes wrong balances, incorrect lates, duplicate accounts, or collections you don't recognize. Under the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have the legal right to dispute information that cannot be verified or is reported incorrectly. Credit repair is not about erasing real debt. It's about accuracy, right? When inaccurate information is corrected or removed, credit scores can improve fast. Accuracy is the foundation of good credit. If you want real help, real results, and real credit change, sign up for my private community. The link is down in the description. It's on sale right now for $21 a month because I understand the holidays are coming up, and this is to help you out on your credit journey. I hope to see you in my private community. Let's go. So when do you need credit counseling? Let's break that down. Credit counseling is for people dealing with real debt that has become too expensive to manage. The balances are correct, but the interest rate and the minimum payments are the problem. Credit counseling focuses on budgeting, lowering interest rates, and creating a structured repayment plan. The goal is sustainability. Learning how to negotiate and manage your debt gives you control instead of handing it over to someone else. Now, when do I need bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is for situations where there is no realistic way of catching up. If your debt is overwhelming, you're behind on everything, and creditors are taking legal action, bankruptcy may be a reset option. Chapter 7 wipes out most unsecured debt. Chapter 13 creates a court order repayment plan over 3 to 5 years. When you file, an automatic stay goes into effect, which stops collections, lawsuits, and wage garnishments. Bankruptcy is not the end of your financial life. With the right strategy, you can begin rebuilding credit within 6 to 12 months. Now, let me give you some little known facts. You must complete credit counseling before filing bankruptcy. Credit repair cannot erase legitimate debt. Some debt, like student loans, child support, and certain taxes, usually cannot be discharged, okay? You can still build strong credit after bankruptcy if you rebuild correctly. So the question is, how to decide what you need? Here's the simple breakdown. If issues is inaccurate information, always start with credit repair. If the issue is real debt that's overwhelming but still manageable, credit counseling makes sense. If you cannot pay at all and creditors are actively coming after you, bankruptcy may be the right step. For most people, credit repair comes first, because if your report isn't accurate, nothing else will work properly. The goal is not avoid responsibility. The goal is to choose the right tool for your situation. Credit repair, credit counseling, and bankruptcy all serve a purpose. When used at the right time and in the right order, if you're ready to take control of your credit the right way, I want to invite you to join my private community. The investment is just $21 a month. Inside, you'll get access to Credit Complete Pro if you need credit repair, where I'll show you how to read your credit report, identify inaccuracies, and dispute it properly on your own. If you need credit counseling, you'll also get access to Debt Negotiator Pro, where I teach you how to negotiate your own debt, lower your interest rates, and create a repayment plan that actually fits your budget. This is about empowerment. There's no reason to waste your money paying someone to do what you can learn to do for yourself. Inside the community, I walk you through the process step by step and give you the tools and guidance you need to fix your credit and your finances correctly. Click the link in the description, join my private community, and let's get started. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. And like I always say, you be great.